I marked this level here, this swing high, and I was expecting gold to come and reverse from here. It came, it didn't reverse from here, he pushed up a little bit, but now he was unable to continue, so he came back, tested this level again, pushed up, and he was unable to break this high, and he started dumping. In fact, if you check the daily, you see that this is still within this daily FVG, sell FVG. So as you can see, it didn't break this sell FVG, so I knew it's definitely going to dump. And now came to like the 1 hour time frame. So first of all, this is my pattern. This liquidity, break of structure, then comes back to this swing high or FVG and then dump. Right? So let me go to the 30 minutes time frame. It's going to be clearer there. So on the 30 minutes, you can see it was very clear here. This is like liquidity. This is like a swing high, liquidity, break, comes back and then dump. So I entered here. There was an FVG here. So most times Go usually respects FVGs. So I thought it's going to respect this FVG because I have other setups that actually played out like this. So I was expecting Go to react from here, but it did not. So I entered a short position here. Yeah, but unfortunately it stopped me out. So since it stopped me out, I now entered again. I knew if it does not dump from this FVG, it's going to dump from this swing high, because I mean it's the same pattern. The pattern has not changed. It's the same pattern. Come, liquidity, break, comes back here and then dump, but it did not. So as you can see, I entered here again. Damn, I entered here again, stopped me out again. And because I have a strong psychology and I know what I was doing, I knew gold must dump. So I now saw like another pattern, which is price comes like this, sweep, break structure, liquidity, break again, and then comes back and react from this zone and then dump. This is called QM Quasimodo reversal. So this was it. This is actually it. Now this was the trade that finally played out, and as you can see, I entered from here. That was like a sniper entry. I placed my stop loss here above this sweep, entered here, and then I actually expected price to come down here, but like because of these two losses, I was like, bro, I need to like let me just grab what the market has to offer and leave. So I think I left this trade from here. 1:2.20, I guess. So this was it. As you can see, it played out perfectly well, and it was still dumping, which made me ask myself why I left. But like, I'm okay. I was okay with that because I mean I was able to recover these two losses, and I was in a little bit of I was a little bit up. So yeah, so that was how I caught this gold sell. After a lot of you had said heaven and earth, that was how I was able to catch this sell. So I hope this makes a lot of sense. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below, and you can join my Telegram group where I share my outlook and other stuffs. Now I'm expecting gold to react again from this sell FVG, but I'm not going to enter. I'm just going to observe because I don't want to trade today. I believe gold might react from here, this FVG, and then our target is going to be 1:2, this low. So this is my next expectation. So that is all about it, guys. See you in the next video.